In this video I drive further up north of the coast of Australia in my van and see some incredible landscapes along the way. We have been traveling up the coast of Australia in a van together, but now my travel partner had to go home. She was flying out from the airport and I remembered the good times.
Now she's gone. She left from the airport. It's a little bit sad when she left. Filling up gas again here at the gas station, and I have no clue. Where I'm gonna go. Really sucks to be alone again.
I was in the northeast part of Australia by myself, heading further up north, looking for the next adventure. The landscape was a little bit more dry here than what I had seen down in the southeast part of Australia.
I stopped here on the side of the highway to get some Pepsi and some popcorn.
There were not many cars on the road and I felt lonely. Arnold Schwarzenegger says, to be successful, the most important thing is to know where you are going, to have a clear vision. I had been drifting around for the past 3 years looking for my purpose. Where was I going, and why did I keep traveling all the time?
I lied to you, baby.
I like the adventure and not knowing where I'm going. I had now made it to another crocodile-infested swamp.
Hello everybody, I have driven another 200 kilometers north along the east coast of Australia. You can see that the water is not clear at all here in this area. That's probably why there are no people really living here. The tide is coming into the shore really quickly. In just about 20 minutes this is gonna be probably around 30 meters further in.
Life is like a tide. I believe you have to float with it, go up with it, and go down with it. Wherever it takes you, the most important thing is to enjoy the ride. It goes up and down, just like a roller coaster, and that's what makes life worth living.
Still driving. Now I am driving up to another city along the coast, the road, and it seems to be some sort of farm here.
I had made it to another place to look for crocodiles.
I just got out of the car and now I am a bit afraid of crocodiles because I know there are crocodiles in this area, and pathways like that is not a good sign. That's what I learned when I was at the crocodile farm. It might mean that there's a hatching nest there. I'm the only person here and it's really humid. It opens up right here. It looks alright, but there's not a single person around.
There are about 300,000 crocodiles in Australia living in the north part of the country. They evolved from dinosaurs and have become significantly smaller from what they were millions of years ago. The largest crocodile skeleton found was 21 meters long.
Here, and I haven't seen a single person for a while. This beach has no name. I haven't seen a name on either Google Maps or other maps. I don't know where I am.
There are so many incredible landscapes in Australia where nobody lives.
I haven't seen any crocodiles, but I'm still on an outlook for them, listening. And I'm gonna get back into my van.
I kept driving to the next location and to find somewhere to sleep for the night. I found another empty place by the beach where I was alone.
7:44 in the evening, and it's the first night for me alone in here in a while. It's early in the morning here in Mackay, filling up my water supply here in the park. I actually had a really cool parking spot last night. You can see the trees here with really cool formations. It was the first night by myself in here in the van for a while, and I didn't really like it. I liked it more when I had company. This is one of the main beaches here in the city of Mackay, and as you can see, it's not that nice. water is brown, and I think there are crocodiles also in the area.
The areas in the northeast part of Australia are not very nice compared to the south part of Australia. The sea is dirty and there are crocodiles in the waters, which prevents humans from enjoying the beach to the fullest. Now I left the coast to head inland.
I just stopped here at this gas station to buy a Red Bull. Sometimes I like to have a Red Bull. It looks amazing though, the waterfall is perfect. Yeah.
One of my favorite things to do is swim around in waterfalls. Now here I was at another one.
Cedar Creek Waterfall, located just a 30-minute drive outside Adelaide.
The ocean water is not very nice in the north part of Queensland, but there are many nice waterfalls in the area.
I just got done swimming, now I'm heading to Crocodile Beach finally.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the icon in the down left corner. Thank you for watching.